So today I'll be going for a brunch kind of thing, and later on today I'll be going to the beach. So it's just like a birthday kind of thing for me, and I want to be getting ready for the brunch first because I don't want to be running late.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works?
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Okay, you're gonna.
So I have an apple pie here. I've already eaten out of this jar, but I want to rate it. It's really nice. It's really nice. And it's crunchy. I also got a croissant, so I'm gonna try it. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you listen? It's like a plain croissant. You're not feeling anything. Very nice.
My bread is okay.
That bread, but
Sweet bread.
yeah. It has some like, I don't know how to describe it here, but it's basically like bread, but it tastes slightly different. I really like the croissant.
Yeah.
I also got a frappuccino. Initially, I got a croissant. I got a espresso. But it was bitter. I thought it was going to be sweet. So I switched to this. And it's way better. It has some coffee in it, but it's way better. And it's sweet. I don't like bitter things. That's not my calling. So, in the apple pie, I give it like an 8. And also the croissant too, but this one I love it. So like 10. And it's so nice and it's very cold.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can it talk? You should talk. Okay. So I'm back from my brunch actually, and I'm getting ready to go to the beach now. So I'm just gonna touch up my makeup a little bit and change to what I'm wearing to the beach.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO.
I'm ready and I'm off to the beach now. I don't know, I think I'll do a little outfit check before I go. This is my outfit for today, or for the evening. This is my outfit for the evening. Is a bikini set.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO.
How about this stuff? That's for not